This is an amazing story over here. I'm just now coming. I could see this kitten and mother, Sita Maya. They have come to this place, and his another kid is inside my office. Last night, what had happened, I am not able to remove her kitten. So now you could see early morning the another kitten is coming along with mother to rescue his another son. So, have you ever seen in human are doing such kind of job? Every time we talk about the animals and all human they are doing their parents they love their kid, but how much love you can see this small kitten is having. Now she is crying. Sita Maya is crying. My the feeling, the entire story of telling all those things, how animal world is deeply emotional. They knew each and everything. Their kids, their family, their food habit. They can recognize people. There are many things over here. Let me come back. Where you want to go? You want to come inside? You want to come inside or what? Hello. What you need exactly you tell me. Precisely you tell me. With full precision you tell me. You give me very pointed answer. Don't give philosophical answer. What you need. You want to rescue your kid or what? Today you are also here. The other beautiful. आपका हो गया ऊपर? सेकंड फ्लोर हो गया, फर्स्ट फ्लोर भी हो गया. अब इधर चले जाओ. तो कार पार्किंग जोन में कर लो. No, hello, come here. You come here, please. Come. जाओ. Come here. Come here. Come. बच्चों को लेके आओ. दूसरे बच्चों को लेके आओ. Now what I was trying to tell, I don't know how much time. Now it is close to 12 o'clock. I was working at my other office. I was late in coming. So she might be whole night. She might be waiting over here along with her beautiful kitten. Last night I gave her a little food and outside they finished it. But whole night they might be waiting. Come inside. She knows why it is very difficult whether she is outsider or insider. Like that many invaders when they have come to in India, they loved India so much they have stayed back. So there are many people, the Mughals, they have stayed back. They love India so much. They felt quite going back to Afghanistan and all those places. And this other kitten is here. So there will be a Sangam, Milad. You don't say Sangam. Sangam is not the right word. So माँ बेटा का मिलन हो रहा है. तो what you call it हो गया. Now it's quite interesting association over here. Now love is getting push. Sita Maya, you come here. Okay. The others one. Here. Lakshman and Bharat. Again meeting Bhaviji. Bharat is meeting Bhaviji. So great Bhaviji. So this kind of acting, natural acting from where you are going to get in early morning. Nowhere in this world you can get such a beautiful picture. You might be giving whatever price you can give, but you will not get this quality of content and quality of picture. It will it will give you a lot of interesting information about the history, philosophy, science, and understanding. So the Mughal, they loved India, they stayed back. British, not a single British you will find in India. They left in 1947 with full ships. So, but they have left some hidden genes here and there. So in their they are very master in doing that. So in that context, you can give more respect to Mughals, and at least they have loved India. They have built lot of things over here. That much respect. Friends, what I was trying to tell, Rabindranath has written in his great poetry, Ora Kaj Kore, written in Bangla. অলস সময় ধারাবে মন চলে শূন্য পানে চেয়ে সে মহাশূন্যের পানে ছায়া মাখা তরি পড়েছে. In one place he is writing শক হুন দল পাঠান মোগল এক দেহে হলো লীন. In some places he is writing the British, they have accepted India heartily. I think Rabindranath is totally wrong. He is totally boosting shock, Hondal, Pathan, Mughal, Ek Dehe Holo Lin. No shock, no Hon, no Dal or Pathan, Mughal. They have come to India as an invaders. And whoever has loved in India because of the resources, they loved India and stayed back. I do not know what wisdom Rabindranath has got the Nobel Prize. I am yet to understand. If he is telling in his poetry openly all those things, that is a very sad part of Rabindranath's part. He is in compromising mode because he wants to get the Nobel Prize, and his introductory part of Nobel Prize is written by some British fellow, Gitanjali, while he is translating, that is W.B. Yeats. Many people might not be knowing that the history of getting Nobel Prize by Rabindranath Tagore, it is a very interesting. I have published many videos. I have a strong objection that how come Rabindranath can get Nobel Prize just by writing Gitanjali. It's a translated version. One can check out my videos. First, what is trying to tell Shok, Hundal, Pathan, Mughal, because of love they have come to in India. It is not because of love. It is because to extract the resources of India, only that much attraction. Portuguese came to in India in the same philosophy. They have left. Before leaving, they have left. Many people over here, they are living over here. So, is it because of love? I really do not know. Portuguese has ruled Goa and few other down south part for many years. Because of that reason, people are entered into second generation, third generation. They have not left. But the actual Portuguese people left. British people, they left. Not a single British fellow you will find in India. What kind of knowledge Rabindranath is having, I am yet to understand. That's why people say it's the 8th standard fellow. Okay, the 8th standard fellow, his knowledge and wisdom can be analyzed by this way, but he is quite intelligent person. But whatever he has done, this is a matter of understanding and assessment of Rabindranath. If anybody has any problem and question, one can question. There is nothing wrong in questioning his attitude towards the British, the other invaders who have come to in India. Friends, what I was trying to tell over here, that boosting unnecessarily something is too dangerous. The indigenous people are suffering in India. Now, way the Christianity is also spreading in India, that is one of the concern. People talk about the Christian are very generous, but how the conversion is taking place in India is one of the concern. Getting Nobel Prize also by none other than Mother Teresa is also, there are a lot of controversy if you really want to understand the getting Nobel Prize by Mother Teresa for her humanity. More than humanity, she was a Christian pracharak. So, there are controversies, one can get into that part. There are more better people probably was doing much better or much deserving candidate than Mother Teresa. Friends, my limited point is over here. Things are not that easy the way we see or analyze everything. When we understand history and we critically analyze history, each and every point there are something. Nothing happens very automatically, deliberately, or it's not a natural choice. I talked about the wisdom of Nobel Committee. How come the economic science Nobel Prize came into the picture? How come Amartya Sen, Dr. Abhijit got Nobel Prize? It is very similar to every 10-15 years selecting a Miss Universe or Miss World. You can understand and correlate two things together, your matter will be very clear. How come more Americans are getting Nobel Prize, even though even it is not a Nobel Prize, it's a risk bank prize. We call it Nobel Prize. The memory of Alfred Nobel that is started 1968-69, even though the Nobel Prize actually started in 1895, then Nobel Prize started from 2000, it is 1901, okay, from 1901 to 1920, close to 1,200 Nobel laureates from physics, chemistry, biology, peace, and literature. There are altogether how many from 1969 to 2020? How many years? It's close to 50 years, close to 120 economic science Nobel Prize given to various field. The academician, many people, they have got the Nobel Prize in economic science. Friends, those are things are very motivated, very interesting. If anybody is interested, probably one can get into the history of Nobel Prize in economic science, understand the beauty of getting Nobel Prize by Rabindranath Tagore. So friends, I don't like to extend my talk in much more greater way or deeper way. If somebody wants to know, probably they can get into my YouTube. I have taken up all those issues very seriously. I have my serious thought, my opinion. If anybody is interested, please log in. I want to end up this story. I was seeing this kitten is too much in love with her kids. So I felt for some time I am a Ravan. I kept her son Kush inside the room, and she was there very much, maybe whole night she was struggling to find out her son. So as a mother, how much suffering somebody is taking, one need to understand. And this is my intention, to show that the mother's love is kind of, you cannot repay. It is a kind of non-negotiable thing, and they do it from their heart wherever things are coming. So we must respect our parents, whatever contribution parents doing in their growth of their kids, one must respect their parents. That is what I want to tell you. Once again, thank you very much. My entire talk of Mughal, Shak, Hundal, Pathan, Mughal, Agde, Hololin, whatever had happened, whoever is written, it is their wisdom and knowledge and understanding, whether it is a deep knowledge or shallow knowledge. It doesn't matter to me at the end of the day. This is all my understanding. I have every right to criticize Rabindranath, or I have every right to criticize Dr. Abhijit, Dr. Amartya Sen, for that matter, whoever got the Nobel Prize. If I found something, I have criticized many activists, I have criticized also many scientists who are working on global warming. Their theories are absurd. So you cannot write a theory which is abstract or abstract in a very different kind of level. It has got no relevance. You cannot correlate in your society or correlate into science, or you cannot implement it. What you cannot implement in society, it is a matter of concern. If you are writing an economic theory, if this theory is not going to provide a solution, a poverty alleviation, what is the meaning of such kind of theory? You can keep on writing theories. One day all the theories of Abhijit's theory will be hypothesis. Morning I was talking to my family member, what is thesis and what is hypothesis? Asking me to explain. I was starting from Galileo to present day, what is thesis and what is hypothesis. And my closest family members, she sat for 20 minutes. After listening the lecture, she told everything is very clear. She went out. So it's a matter of understanding and matter of concern. Whoever is understanding what thesis, hypothesis, it's all time. So that decide what is thesis and what is hypothesis. My cat is trying to sleep now. I want to end up my lecture over here. Thank you very much. I am nice. You're all friends, outsider, they have gone. Now can enjoy here. You are insider. You have every right to protect your boundary. You have every right to put guns. You are nationalistic. If you are nationalistic, definitely you are going to protect. So nationalism is very important. Don't be like Rabindranath, not even nationalist, not even internationalist. They are not the nationalist, internationalist, they are Subhidabadi, what is called opportunist. This is the another form of nationalism which are inbuilt in their character. I told what is the difference between Sukanta Bhattacharya and Rabindranath. Rabindranath might be written junkyards, many things. It has got no meaning, no relevance in front of me. One can buy and put, dump inside the Almira. Doesn't matter at the end of the day. But one or two or three books of Sukanta Bhattacharya, it is like a Bible. So people might be talking or thinking that I have published 200, 300 international journal paper. I say everybody please get into few scientists like Einstein, 2-3 papers he has published it. See the quality of the paper. It is not the quantity is important, it is the quality that matters. You take any great scientist, they have published 3, 4, 5 papers in his life. So whatever they want to convey, they have conveyed. You take any great scientist, Niels Bohr, Xavier Hurley, Michael Faraday, Watson and Crick, Marie Curie, Pierre Curie, whoever you want to take it, you take it. Doesn't matter. So your matter will be clear. Similar way in literature, if you find Shelley, Keats, Byron, Wordsworth, Shakespeare, Shelley, all those people, they have not written many things. They have written very quality work, they have done it. Don't try to do many things in life. Don't try to publish many papers to increase the length of your CV. See the quality part, what is more important rather than quantity. The poor people, they eat too much. I sometime I invite and offer food to the poor people who works for my home. I could say they consume lot of foods. They don't consider what quality they are taking. They can consume 1 kg rice, dal, sabji, chicken, mutton. They will eat it. But if you see the middle class or higher class or rich people, they are very choosy. They pick certain things which is they know what to eat, what not to eat. In life it is very important to calculate and measure all those things and then move forward. Once again, thank you very much. My beautiful lovely injured kitten is sleeping. Now I have nurtured his injury with all kind of ointment at night. He is fully recovered. He acknowledges, his acknowledgement is very fantastic. Every time he does the acknowledgement that you have done a great job for me by saving my life. Even though he is not taking a piece of paper and writing all those things, but I understand from his body language. You can see this, it was a deep injury, but absolutely fine. It's a self-cure kind of thing they have. I put little Dettol and all, but the healing process, it took little time, but he is fully recovered. Once again, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.